Okay, Jenny's on the road, and I'm in Milos Island. Paliagos?
It's an island off of Milos.
It's an island off of Milos, and it's known as the Blue Lagoon. Check out this incredible water. And check out our new friends.
Wave, everybody.
It's amazing. Okay, we are on Naya Yachting. Get this back up here. These guys are amazing. Love, love, love. This is a 10-hour sail around Milos. And it is like spectacular. Like, I can't even tell you how absolutely breathtaking this is. So I'm getting ready to jump into the lagoon, and Naya Yachting, like the best crew. Check over there. There's our captain. Wave, Adonis.
It's Adonis. And he is an Adonis, aptly named.
All right, I'm gonna do this. All right, if my top pops, just make sure.
I'll blur it.
Blur it and take care of that. All right, I'm probably gonna trip over the, wow. All right, this is a little dicey. Here we go.
It's all for the good of the video.
For the good of the video. Okay, ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Oh, wow.
You must be ready.
Ah!
The
Okay.
bowlers are always ready.
Insane. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
All right. All right, she made it. Sign off, Jenny.
Bye.
Signing off.